In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "This site can't provide a secure connection" error on Chrome in our 2025 guide. This pesky error can pop up unexpectedly and stop you from accessing the websites you need. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy solutions. First, make sure your computer's date and time are accurate. An incorrect date or time might seem trivial, but it can confuse your browser and prevent secure connections. On a Windows PC, right-click the time in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Adjust Date and Time. Ensure everything is set correctly. If you're on a Mac, click on the Apple menu, go to System Preferences, and then click on Date Time to verify the settings. Next, you'll want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, data can pile up and cause unexpected problems. In Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, hover over More Tools, and then select Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog box that appears, check the boxes for Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Then, make sure to set the time range to All Time, and click Clear Data. Sometimes the issue lies with extensions causing conflicts. To find out if that's the case, try disabling your extensions. Go to the same three-dot menu, point to More Tools, and click Extensions. A list of installed extensions will appear. Turn them off by toggling the switch next to each one. Refresh the page you're trying to visit. If the problem disappears, one of the extensions is likely to blame. Turn them back on one at a time to identify the culprit. Another tip is to ensure that your system and Chrome are fully up to date. Updates can fix known bugs that are causing the issue. To update Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right again, go to Help, and select About Google Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates. For your operating system, head into the settings and look for system updates there as well. If the error persists, consider temporarily disabling your antivirus software or firewall. These security programs, while essential, can sometimes be overzealous and block secure connections. Remember to turn them back on after the test. Lastly, if none of the above methods work, try performing a secure DNS change. Open your network settings and navigate to DNS configurations. You can opt for a public DNS like Google's DNS by entering 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This often resolves connectivity issues related to network domain resolution. And there you have it, folks. Following these steps should help you navigate past the "This site can't provide a secure connection" error, allowing you to browse without interruptions. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.